Hello guys, welcome to YouStream channel. Today I am going to tell you how to create a Google Analytics account for your YouTube channel and how to link it with your YouTube channel. Okay, here I have already logged in with my Gmail of which I want to create a Google Analytics account. You can also type analytics.google.com so that you will be connected to this page. So I'm just starting it. I'm going to give this name and then I'm agreeing. Okay, this is for website. This is for default. If you want others, if you are creating a Google Analytics for apps and webs and app, then you have to select the others. I'm just giving the website name YouStream 19 and here I have to search for my channel URL YouStream 19 channel. So this is what my YouTube channel is. Okay, this is the message I'm taking the code, copying it, and then giving it here. And you have to select it as HTTPS and you have to remove this HTTPS which is already present here. Select one industry type. I think it mostly belongs to traveling and selecting as India. And so here you have to create it. So you have to accept the settings, privacy policy, and this one also you have to accept it. Okay. So this tracking ID is important. So I'm just copying it. So whenever you are creating this Google Analytics account, just copy this tracking ID. And now I am going to my YouTube channel. YouTube Studio. So under the settings section, on the settings and then permissions, channel, advanced settings and then advanced channel settings. You come down, you will see Google Analytics property tagging ID. You have to give this ID and then save. Okay, so it is saved. I'm just returning it to YouTube Studio and then let me check